When you try to create any resource, the location is required. And what is the location is? So the location is about, it's not about whether something is physically lives. It's about speed. So imagine you are creating, let's say, a storage account in Germany, and you are living in USA. So the latency will be somehow high. So try to create a resources close to your area. And I will give you this one here, for instance, to see the latency, speed the latency. So for instance, if you are in Europe, just click this one here, select, and you can just open this one here, open this website, AzureSpeed.com. And if we see here now, the best geographical, let's say, location for the data center, it's the Germany West Central. And you can see here the latency is, let's see, 33 milliseconds. And if we go now to this information here, if you see the latency, it's referred to as a Bing. So if you has, and you can see real-time application, for instance, gaming, video conferences, latency is below 50 milliseconds ideal. Interactive applications, for instance, web browsing, online trading, it's 50 bits until and 100 milliseconds is, let's say, acceptable. And as you can see in this one here, the latency, let's see, in this location here, say Germany Central, West Central, is 32 milliseconds. And in this case, you need to select this one here. But if you just see the Sweden, and if you select this one here, the latency will be somehow high, and you will have to wait for the, let's say, responses. And in case here, for instance, you can see when I try to create a storage account, I have to select the location, or let's say region. And from here, I can just say Germany, and I can select West Central. Now, one another, let's see, aspect you have to take care about. So it's the product availability, and not all the services are available in all data centers. Let's see, and if we take here, for instance, Germany here. And we, as you can see here, for instance, this one here, application gateway version 2, it's not available in Germany North. And let's say, for instance, storage account. And you can see storage account, uh, data lake storage generation 2 is available in both. And if we select, for instance, another country, let's see India, and you can see this one here, it's available in central India, south, but it's not in, oh, it's in India west. But as you can see here, there's some missing, let's see, dots here, which is not available in this region here. So that is why we have to take care about the location and availability. The location, it will reduce the latency to our services, and the availability, it will not all the production, let's say, the services or resources are available in a specific region. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.